Welcome to Geeks 4x4, and today we're going to install power stop brakes on the white 7.3 Excursion, and I'm going to give you guys some Excursion brake tips. I know you don't really care about installing brakes and rotors, but there are some Excursion-specific tips that you need to know about brakes because they got weird stuff. But anyway, let's get right to that. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me show you some tips, get you on your way for the day. So I'm not going to show you disassembly or anything like that because I figure you probably know how to do that. I'm gonna talk about from here on. So you got the rotor on. You've now loaded your caliper bracket with the springs. The first thing you're gonna check when you pull it off, make sure that these move. These things are known, these caliper slides are known in the Excursion world to get stuck. I had these two both stuck, got them both out, cleaned them up, greased them a ton, put them back in. They are good to go now. Put Loctite on the bolts that hold this caliper bracket back on and drop the caliper bracket back on. Also, I'll come in here and say this is not a sponsored or anything by PowerStop. I just bought them. I like that it was a complete kit, and I'm going to put a link in the description so that you guys can buy them too. This is the whole kit, all four corners, slotted and drilled rotors, pads, all the hardware. Pretty cool. Let's go. All right, and here's the rear. If you're using the PowerStop kit that I've got linked below, they actually label the rotors for which side they want because they want the chutes going the right way to eject stuff when it's braking. Got new pads in there. Did the same thing. Grease the caliper pins. If you want the bolt torques, caliper pin bolts on the rear 26. The bracket mounting bolts on the rear, they say 206, which is crazy to me because they're a smaller bolt than the front, and the front's 166. So the mounting thing on the front, 166, and then 56 on the pin bolt. So same thing. The only tip for the back is, same thing. Grease those stinking caliper pins. The bottom one on this one was really dry. Did come out, but it needed tons of grease. So, and use caliper grease. Brake caliper grease. Stuff is super sticky, so it doesn't go away as easily as a normal grease. So I'll link some of that below and to this PowerStop kit. All right, so overall, pretty impressed with the PowerStop install. That kit came with everything. I was really impressed. Came with the boots, came with all the clips and the springs and all the good stuff, along with the pads and the rotors. So I'm very happy with that. A lot of those kits don't come with everything. So the little boots for the slide pins is the big thing that's like, oh, cool. I didn't replace any of mine. Mine were all good still, which is awesome. But now I have a bunch of extras. I don't know. I'm probably just going to throw them away or keep them for 6 years just for fun. I use CRC brake caliper grease. If yours is cleaner than that, tell me your life secrets. Because I don't know how my hands. The brakes are just such a messy job. They're just messy. Anyway, pretty happy with it. Haven't driven it yet. Gonna go break these things in. PowerStop does have a really specific break-in process. So if you are doing the PowerStop thing, definitely do that process, all right? I'm going to go do that, and then I have new brakes on the truck. Pretty nice Christmas present. All right, so I took them out and bedded them in yesterday. These things, they don't stop very well when you first start them, but then you bed them in, and you're like, and now you tap the brakes, and that thing will throw you forward. It hasn't done that for years. So I'm really excited about that. The thing seems to stop really well. Like I said, there's a link in the description to a couple of different things. I'll make sure you guys have those. Hopefully those tips are helpful if you're doing brakes on your Excursion soon. Have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. We'll see ya.